Hello everyone, my name is Ranjita. Welcome to my another Skillshare class. Today we are going to paint this beautiful floral artwork on a canvas. If you are a completely beginner, I recommend you to take my previous class about one-stroke painting. I cover all the basics that you need to understand about the painting technique on that class. So in this class we will be covering the materials needed, how to paint a simple background, how to stencil the pattern on your canvas, how to paint flowers, how to paint leaves, and also how to layer the flowers using simple technique and how to give shadows to them. And I will take you through the simple and easy process of creating a beautiful artwork. I will share with you simple tips and tricks in painting florals, and I will teach you how to apply gold leaf and how to give a golden finish to your paintings. And also there is a simple project for you to try out with step-by-step instructions and downloadable worksheets. Whether you are a beginner or an advanced artist looking to expand your painting skills, this class covers it all. So everyone is welcome to my class. So join today and let's learn something beautiful and fun.